Hello guys and welcome to Tech Guru Academy. Today in this video I will show you how to download Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 17101. So it's released for Insider Fast Ring. Okay, so the link will be in description so you can check out what's new in this build. As you can see, they just updated the emoji design and some under the hood changes like fix the issue where last flight was some PC failed to resume hibernate, whatever it is. You can check all these out. The link will be in description. So let's see how to download latest Windows 10 preview build, which is 17101. So the link will be in description here. You can click on the link and you will be on the same page. So just you need to click here, download, whatever it is, I don't know, just click here and it should download the file. Start. Yes, it's downloading. So yeah, so this is a quick tutorial on how to download Windows 10 build 17101. I hope you like this video. If you do, then make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more video. Thank you so much for watching Tech Guru Academy. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.